light, big ears flapping in the breeze, walking happily through the trees. Baby elephant wakes with cheer, trumpets sound so loud and clear, splashing water with delight, starting every day so bright. He stomps around the jungle ground, making happy thumping sound, dusty footprints in a row where the jungle rivers flow. Mama elephant walks nearby, guiding gently under sky, with a loving, caring tone. Baby never walks alone. Papa elephant strong and tall, protecting everything and all, leading through the forest wide, with his family by his side. Baby splashes in the stream, laughing like a happy dream, water sparkling in the sun, jungle play is so much fun. Monkeys swing from tree to tree, chattering so joyfully, birds are singing in the air, nature's music everywhere.